Wow, what up guys? Alright, welcome back. This is the next video for the Grom. So, today is going to be headlight. Try to wire up something, we'll see. I got a vise from Harbor Freight. I have nowhere to mount it yet, so I'm going to shout out Gingium and I'm going to have an unmounted vise gang until we get it figured out. I mocked up a temporary L bracket to kind of test some stuff. As you can tell, it's a little off center. It was whatever. I made some new ones. They're not perfect. They're literally kind of done by hand. I don't know. They should do what I want to do. So as you can tell in the previous video, I am changing up the headlight design most likely. So I was probably gonna have these guys bolt up to the bottom, either right there or to the top right there, and then each headlight will be right there or there. We'll see if it works. If this also works, I'll probably be putting the turn signal in the side. It'll look pretty legit. And then my plan was to mount these like so, and then I want to try and get like a crossbar to bolt them together. There you go. To pretty much bolt them together so they're not just like turning a bunch. I don't know. As you guys saw in the previous video, we got some AUXBEAM pod headlights, air fogs, whatever they would be. I don't know. They're 35 bucks. I was gonna get rigid, but I didn't want to spend $150. That's insane. Because it might not even work. It could suck. But this, I don't know. I might have some fun. I might put this on my Civic because I daily drive that shit out to Fremont. Yeah. Let's try this. I gotta pull out the vise and then let me do this. Let me get situated. Kind of sit like this or like this, and then have the headlights right here. So it would almost be, yeah, of course, like that. Or I'm trying to do that if it'll work better, since it's a little bit more tucked. And then I'm hoping also to have a crossbar that goes and kind of connects them, so it's a little bit stronger and it's not gonna want to do this or something. I don't know, we'll fucking see. And if it looks clean, my goal is to mount the turn signal right here, or simply drill a hole right there and mount them. Not even joking. So yeah, let's get going on this. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. I need to drill some holes in here first. So most likely it's gonna be these back pieces I drill, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got just the one hole drill right now, just because I kind of want to see. It's really, that's all I kind of wanted. So I was gonna do this, and then I will probably put a nut on the other side, just so it doesn't back out. Probably put a nylon nut, you know, but. Or just a bar that goes up to here to here. I don't want to be that bad either. It doesn't look bad. I'm definitely gonna need the bracket though to push them together more. Alright, what up guys? Pretty much just going to be explaining to you while I'm wiring this up. I don't feel like doing an intro really. Pretty much I've been searching, I don't know, for like 2 weeks now to try and find an OEM connector to pin into here because the headlight, for some reason, the connector, I'm going to show you. Okay. This is the guy I need. You can take it off, but the wires are soldered in because it's an LED headlight. I need this connector. I'm not about to cut it off the headlight. I want just this guy. I could depin it, but I really don't want to depin it because I'm going to have to pin it up to another headlight. I want to have a separate one so it's plug and play, ready to go. So this is where I'm at. So if anyone knows where to get one of those connectors, that would be the shit. Gone and tried getting random 8-pin connectors from different bikes. I ordered universal 8-pin connector, freaking just random ones just to see if those would work. They don't. I ordered this kinda badass headlight switch, or just any type of switch for your motorcycle. It's a push button and it's illuminated. I got green to kind of just be like headlights. They have red and blue. There we go. I could not think of a color. 15 bucks. So until I figure out my way of OEM connector on this, I am not splicing my shit. And this is what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna wire up the left one because that's gonna be my regular driver every day. I kinda don't wanna have it on a switch. I kinda wanted an ignition as soon as it turned on, my bike turned on. That would be cool, but it is what it is. I just have to go get an inline fuse from AutoZone and we'll be set. So, let me quickly wire up all of this to kinda where I want it, and then we'll go from there. What up, guys? Alright, pretty much this is going to wrap up the video. Headlight and the switch are installed. I just got to finalize, tighten everything up, and then we should be good to go. I don't know what I want to do with my high beam yet, because I don't think I want to do another switch, but we will probably end up doing a switch, because I can't find the fucking 8-pin connector for the OEM switch. Anyways, yeah, so this will be all in this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.